Hello everyone, welcome to your channel Maths Guide. In today's video, we will learn how to simplify decimal numbers using the BODMAS rule. Many students get confused when decimals and multiple operations come together, but don't worry, after this lesson, you will be able to solve them step by step easily and correctly. So grab your notebook and let's master decimal simplification with BODMAS. The digits on the decimal numbers are arranged in different places. For example, here we have number 123.45. The digits on the left side of the decimal point show whole numbers, and the digits on the right side of the decimal point show parts of the whole. Moving left increases value by 10 times, and moving right decreases value by 10 times. So, the places before the decimal points are ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000 and so on, and the places after decimal points are called tenths, hundreds and thousands, where tenths means 1 part out of 10 and hundreds means 1 out of 100. Here we have 4 tenths, it means 4 parts out of 10 equal parts, and 5 hundreds means 5 parts out of 100 equal parts. So it means the decimal point separates the whole part from the fractional part. Now let's start our exercise. This is exercise 1.6.9 of your mathematics textbook 7. The question is square bracket 3 plus curly bracket 1.25 into 3.85 divided by round bracket 5.64 minus 2.7 plus 1.4. As we have a minus sign before the vinculum, so we will change the sign under the vinculum and vinculum will be removed like this. Now start subtraction from left to right one by one. Now here be careful, write the digit under the correct place. It means we have to write the whole numbers under the whole numbers and fractional part under the fractional part very carefully like this. And we get 1.54. Now bracket is removed. Now in curly bracket we have 1.25 into 3.85 divided by 1.54. As we have multiplication division, so we can move from left to right again. So we will multiply 1.25 and 3.85. For multiplication, we get the answer 4.8125. We have to put the decimal before 4 digits, as we have 2 decimal places over here and 2 decimal places over here. So we have total 4 decimal places. That's why we have the decimal over here before 4 decimal places. Now we have to divide it by 1.54. First of all, let's remove the decimal point from the divisor to make the division simpler. As we have the 4 decimal places over here, so we will move the decimal in the divisor 4 places towards right like this. Now the decimal point has been shifted to the end, and here the decimal point is completely removed in both dividend and divisor, because we have shifted the decimal from dividend and divisor to make them equivalent. Now we have to divide them. How? Let's divide them. After division, we get 3.125. So the next step is 3 plus 3.125. As you all know that in addition subtraction we have to very much careful about the correct places. So this 3 will be added to the whole number as both are the whole numbers, and the final answer will be 6.125. Now question number 12 of the same exercise 1.6, and the question is 2.35 plus curly bracket 12.099 divided by round bracket 1.45 minus 2.1 into 1.23, all bracket closed. In the round bracket we have 1.45 minus 2.1 into 1.23. According to BODMAS rule, we have to solve the multiplication first. Here we have 3 decimal places, so when we multiply we will write the answer and put the decimal before 3 decimal places like this. The answer is 2.583 after multiplication. Now we have to subtract 2.583 from 1.45. As 1.45 is smaller than 2.583, our answer will be negative. Yes, we get negative 1.133. Now 12.099 will be divided by negative 1.133. How? First of all, let's remove the decimal from both dividend and divisor like this. Now we will divide them. Division is very easy in this procedure, but we can stop it after 3 decimal places. You can also stop it after 2 decimal places, but it's better to take 3 decimal places at least. Now the answer is 10.678. So 2.35 plus minus 10.678, as we have different signs in between them, so plus minus we will multiply them and we get minus. So 2.35 minus 10.678, and the final answer is negative 8.328. Now part 13 of the same exercise. The question is 15.165 divided by square bracket 2.125 plus curly bracket 3.04 minus round bracket 2.75 into 2.06 minus 2.02 and a vinculum on this portion. 2.06 minus 2.02. So we have to subtract them first. After subtraction we get 0.04. Now we have to multiply it with 2.75. As we have 4 decimal places, or we can simply remove the decimals from both sides and then multiply them, we get 0.11. Now we have to subtract it from 3.04 and we get 2.93. Now we have to add 2.125 and 2.93, and after addition we get 5.055. Now the dividend is 15.165 and divisor is 5.055. The first step is, all you all know, that we have to remove the decimal from both dividend and divisor, and we get 15,165 divided by 5,055, and after division, as 5,055 into 3 is 15,165, it means the answer is 3. Now part 14. 0.8 into square bracket 4.9 into curly bracket 0.555 divided by round bracket 0.2 plus 0.02 plus 0.002, all bracket close. As you all know, we have round, in the round bracket we have addition symbol and we have to add all 3 numbers, but the question rises how to add them. Listen very carefully. While adding, add the whole numbers in the whole numbers and fractional part in the fractional part. It means tenth can be added to tenth, hundreds can be added to hundreds, thousands can be added to thousands. So we can write it like this. And our answer is 0.222. And we have to divide them, 0.555 and 0.222. First step is, all you know, we have to remove the decimal to make the question simpler. We get 555 divided by 222. Now let's divide them. After division we get 2.5. And this 2.5 will be multiplied by 4.9. And after multiplication, as we have 2 decimal places over here, so after multiplication we get 12.25 and put the decimal before 2 decimal places. Now we have to multiply it by 0.8. Now total we have 3 decimal places, 2 places on this side and 1 decimal place on this side. So after multiplication we get 3 decimal places. The answer is 9.800, or simply we can write it as 9.8. This was all about the simplification of decimal numbers using BODMAS. I hope you understood the whole concept. One thing you must keep in mind is the place of each digit in the decimal number. In addition and subtraction, and in multiplication and division also. And also keep in mind the decimal places, especially in multiplication and division. This was all about simplification. Now our exercise is over. Now the next exercise is exercise 1.7, which is about sets. So my next video will be on that. Like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.